sofa. Never rich tonight. What are you talking about?
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
The marker represent for Chef Young.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The baddest and the sickest, you know. London.
I couldn't live without. This is what how we sing. This is what. Cause no one makes me feel quite like you. The things you say, my love, the things you do. This is what. Which one of them you want to make me know? And that's a big terror from the star snow. And I need something upon the mic, yeah, you know. Me just say you just alright, so this is what. Sing with me. This is what. I feel like this. Wanna get me too excited too quickly. How you doing? I'm so happy to be here. I know they know this song, you know. And I know they're going to sing with me, right? Lord of His mercy. Ooh, 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 hey. Ooh. Cause you're my winner, you're the thing to my inner emotion. Yes, you do. You did first right. Being with you is so nice. I am so glad that you are in my life. Sing with me, Toronto. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's do some 90s song. We're taking a ride, a joyride. Where my honey, sing with me. Yeah. In the fun, hear this one now. Big things are one for you, baby. Man, I get physical the way your body ready. Big things are. To your level is starting, I run out. to money, big things up. Man, I get physical the way your body ready, big things up. True, you living in style, now run out of money. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Oh, you mean? What? Let me talk to the people them no man. Let me talk to the people them. A big round of applause for the DJ. That's what I'm doing. How are you doing? It's been a while. Thank you so much for coming out. I know we had some drizzle and everything, but you still come out, and I really appreciate it. I give yourself a big round of applause. I have to big up a special person, one of my big friend, big up Canute. Team right in front of this is when I Jamaica the other day, you know. See him? Me and him go grand gala, you know. May I sing some of my love songs for you? Yeah. I love it too, man. Oh. You're 34. All right, I'm 56. I'm still in the mix. But I know this is the one you guys want. And this is the song everybody asks us to sing. Put. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yeah, yeah. 'Cause this is from my baby face. Let me hear you say what? What? Yes, yes, yes. in November still won't hold on. You know, some I love my jerk, but it's when you're a singer. And the smoke. But what for deal? I forgot through the performance there, but the smoke, I'm inhaling all of it in my lungs, in my throat. Listen, now to be more sensitive next time when I have a stage, when I carry the smoke pit at the back. But anyway, crowd of people, I just tell you that. When I say a little car, it's because of that, alright? The show gotta go on, right? Alright, what the next thing? What the next thing? Bam bam. Alright. Can you hear that? Ooh, what up? I gotta do this bam bam thing. I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing. Back in the days when I went back to school, I did cultural studies and I had to do music. And when I did the music, I realized that bam bam has been a part of our culture, our musical culture forever. Start so because I know say everyone I wanna know all of this song. All of the song I'm gonna sing, I wanna know it. So I wanna really enjoy myself, alright? Alright? Alright, my baby face, one man. Hey, don't forget no one joke, you know. Me I sing baby face, one man is not me, baby, me. I like, honey child, surely you, honey, you. I saw you. Yeah. Can you hear that? Ooh, can you hear that? Want you to know that I am a man who will fight for the right and not for the wrong. Going here and going there, doing this and doing that. Soon you will find out the man I'm supposed to be. I'm feeling, don't trouble no one. But if you will trouble me too, it will bring up bam bam billa. What a bam bam, what a bam bam, bam bam billa, bam bam billa. This one is dedicated to all of the girls there. With a pretty face and the devil heart. Shaka demons and flies there. Come down. I know this little girl, they call her Maxine. Her beat is like a bunch of rope. Go my girl. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you would have said, I don't know, but I know. Sing. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Watch out now. My pretty face and my character. Then the kind of thing that can pull shaka. My pretty face and my character. Then the kind of thing that can pull shaka. Me say you're pretty. Your face is pretty, but you girl, you act tough. You want there with Tom, Dick and Harry. Bam bam, bada bam bam, bam bam billa, bam bam billa. Say what a bam bam, say what a bam bam, bam bam billa. Hear my favorite sentence. This one I got bam bam. Sister Nancy in a different style and pattern. Hey, do you know this one? And it's the one thing Nancy can't understand. The one thing Nancy can't understand. I owe them a talk about me ambition. I owe them a talk about me ambition. I do them I know that. I do them I know. I do them I know it's for creation. I do. Hear my favorite part now. Bam bam yeah. What a bam 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 dilly. Bam bam dilly. Say what a bam bam. have to cut my show. Alright. No, man. Alright. Go straight in. Skip that one. Go straight into the wicked people, please, and action. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on. No, man. Other artists left to come on. May I enjoy myself? I want to scream. May I enjoy myself? But may I have to cut it a little, right? Right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. How do you sing? Not the ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Action. So we action. So we know they make the girl that broke up. You think you are so fine. Big time no work, yeah, man, watch your time. Stop playing with my mind. Woman doing a joke and she will want the wife. You call me on the phone. 1 hour with a talking angel come down. And now I want you home. I tell Jackie, so she now you must stop. Action. Some way. Action. Loving me the girl in the go. I need some action. Say my chemistry is flowing. Then you cause a fake reaction. I need some action. My chemistry is flowing. What you know? Because I'm this move, but they can't want to be no. She wants to feel over, run over, rope. So man, I make close to man like a wire. Nadine, you can't leave yet, Nadine. Nadine, your fans them don't get enough of you. Come here, please, my beautiful queen. One more time, Nadine. I forget the encore. Come here, my beautiful queen. Hold on. Nadine, come here. I heard you say something tonight that you're 56. 56, and honey, I'm still in the mix. I will not turn tricks. Hold on. You can't leave yet, Nadine, because I am also 56, and I'm your biggest fan. I'm a groupie, yo. Me a groupie. Me, Janet Man, a groupie. Me a groupie. So Nadine, just one more, a cappella or anything. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to get rid of Nadine? Say no! All right, you want to continue action? Come in and enjoy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She wants a little bit action. So we go to the body. Let the bag on. So we love him, the girl. Money pull up. You think you are so far. Never rich tonight. What are you talking about? What? Oh yeah. Action. So we action. So we go. Thank you very much. Thank you. You think you are so fine. Big talk no work. Camera watch the time. Stop playing with my mind. Woman, no, we not joke, cause you will want the wife. You call me on the phone. 1 hour right to talking and you come down. And now I want you up. Action. I went rich tonight. Thank you so much. God bless you. I love you so much. Thank you. Hold on. Before I leave, hold on. No, but other people have come. I just want to say something. God, my rich. Connections in faith. Swear, look at the body break. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to keep this show going. Are you ready for Toto Metro and Devontae?
Make some noise! Are you ready?
Make some noise, y'all.
Tonto!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Yaad Fest 2024.